Hi, my name's Gaz, the Mini Painting Punk, and in this video we are going to do the 100 subs terrain giveaway draw. I'd also, before then, just like to talk quickly about the Call of the Everchosen, which is a series of free campaigns, challenge battles, heroes and more, according to the website, for Warcry, released through the Warhammer community site. And they've started us off with the Purge of Banggood, which is a whole campaign. This is pretty interesting to me. First of all, because it completely takes place outside the 8 points. In fact, it's got nothing to do with chaos at all. It's Stormcast versus Scourge Privateers, which is from Cities of Sigmar, basically the old Dark Elf stuff. And I think Warcry has been moving in this direction for a while, sort of away from being solely chaos focused and into more of a Age of Sigmar skirmish game. And I know there are some people out there who aren't happy about that. They liked the sets as they were with the unique factions. I understand, but for me, I personally I'm excited to see it expand a little bit more. The reason being is if they continue in this direction, I think it'd be really interesting to see what boxes we can get, what starter sets we can get, and unique factions we can get based in some of the other realms, and based around some of the other Grand Alliances. Maybe some War in Destruction factions with some nice unique models and unique warbands. Could be quite cool. And all the terrain in the Warcry boxes so far has been pretty fantastic, so if we get some starter sets based in other realms, there's sure to be some really new and interesting terrain in there as well. Now, another cool thing with this is the Scourge Privateers part. They basically make use of everything in the Start Collecting Banggood box, and I've never needed much of an excuse to pick up a new Start Collecting box, so that's a good one. And the cynic in me is quite aware that this is probably somewhat of a ploy to shift some of the Start Collecting Banggood boxes before all of the Dark Elves leave the Cities of Sigmar with all this business that's going on in the Broken Realms. But at least the campaign's free, so even if the motives aren't exactly 100% altruistic, I think it's pretty exciting, and it's always good to get free stuff. Right, time for the draw. So I've put all your names in a random name wheel spinny thingy, and it's gonna spin around and it's gonna pick a name, and someone is gonna win some terrain. So let's do it. Congratulations, Joe Wielden. Get in touch with your address and stuff and I will pop that in the post for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hobby progress has been a little slow recently. I'm painting two Mega Gargants, and they're bigger models than I'm used to painting, and I really want to get them right. There's the one out the box and the one I made using the spares from the box and Mantic's Kings of War Giant. You can see the video of me making that up here. I'm also building a third using the rest of the spares and some bits I've 3D printed, and it's all taken me a little longer than I thought it would, so stay tuned for some actual hobby content coming soon rather than just me rambling at the camera, which there'll probably be more of that as well. So hit subscribe, and thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.